Okay, it's the final day, all the animals have come out to check it out. It's time to throw on some stickers. So I've ordered a couple of these. Why I've gone with a 48 number plate will become apparent soon. And I've got a few black and white versions of the Ducati Decals, and I was playing around with some Plasti Dip, the peel off paint, just to play around with the front end, having a look at some options with that, which I'm still undecided about. What I am pleased about is my indicators. Here's Buddy. Hi, Buddy. So I'm very pleased with my indicators. They were a complete hassle to get on because you've got to try and get the spacers on the inside at just the right angle for this dodgy curved fairing, and also on the angle on the inside as well, which was very tricky. But we got there, and yeah, so now I'm just playing around with some design on the front and the stickers. So let's get going. What do you think, Buster? I'm a fan. Stanley? He's still deciding. So I've decided I will go for the pinstripe up the front, like I was just showing you. So I've got the front fender masked off, and I am using this stuff, the Plasti Dip. I don't know if you've ever heard of it, but it's like a wrap spray. So basically you just spray it on 5 or 6 coats, and then it just dries into plastic wrap basically that you can peel off if ever you want to. So I haven't actually damaged the front mudguard, the standard front mudguard, which has been a bit of a theme throughout this whole build. I've tried not to modify the actual base bike, any of the original parts or the frames or anything. So in theory everything on this can come off and I can put it completely back to standard. So when it's done, I've used it before and it comes out quite nice, way better than I expected. So this should give the front end a little bit of definition.